Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to change wallpaper on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Here, you'll see your current lock screen and home screen wallpapers displayed. This shows what wallpaper is currently active on your device. Now, swipe right to view other available wallpapers. You can browse through different wallpaper options by swiping. As you swipe, different wallpaper options will appear. You can preview how each wallpaper will look on your lock screen. Take your time to explore the available wallpapers and find one that matches your style. Once you find a wallpaper you like, tap on Set as Current at the top of the screen to apply it. Your selected wallpaper will now be applied to your iPhone. The change takes effect immediately. And that's it. Your new wallpaper is now set on your iPhone. You can see it on both your lock screen and home screen. You can repeat this process anytime you want to change your wallpaper to keep your iPhone looking fresh. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.